All right, Mike, back in the workshop with Dave again. Hey, I get all my bits I've been using for previous videos and projects from IDC Woodcraft. Good company, have no issues with them. Garrett and the crew there are really nice people. Wednesday night, 8 o'clock, you can go, they have a live session, you can go on YouTube, and if you have any CNC questions or whatever, you can go on there and learn a lot and be part of the crew. And and I was watching a video on Broinwood, and if you've never checked his work out, I'll link it in the description. Broinwood is a guy, he makes custom cutting boards, inlaid cutting boards, and they are truly amazing. I mean, if they're art, they're not a cutting board. I mean, you get it. If I was making those, I wouldn't want to cut on them, but I'm sure you can. But if you check his stuff out, I'll link it, like I said, amazing. Well, in order to do that type of work, I watched one of his videos, and in his videos, he has a recommendation for bits. The specific bits that he uses, I'm pretty sure IDC doesn't carry them. They carry their version of them, which isn't quite as fine as what Broinwood uses. So a company which is Cutting It Close, CNC, really good guy. He's got a huge business that he probably started from, I'm guessing, out of his garage or something. But this guy, he's got his crap in one sock, and he's got everything going, very nice company. So he carried a bit set for Broinwood. So I went on to his website, and these 3 bits were what's called the Broinwood set. So what it gives you is it gives you a 1/4 inch upcut bit. It gives you a 25 millimeter radius with a 6.2 degree tapered ball nose. And then this final one is an 1/8 inch upcut. So they come as a set. So I wanted to do some of the work like Broinwood did as part of my learning process in the CNC. And I ordered them from Cutting It Close. So when I got my order, the order came with the bits, and these are 6 millimeter bits. So if you don't have a 6 millimeter collet for your machine, which is a ER20 collet on my alt mill here, because I have the standard one before the upgrade, you have to buy that 6 millimeter collet. So as part of that deal, I ordered the collet along with these 3 bits. So the package came in the mail. It's my first order from them, even though I've been watching them for a long time and I subscribed to him. So I get the bits in the mail. I get all these nice little stickers that if you're starting out like I did as a noob, and you know nothing about CNC, you get these nice little stickers that you can place somewhere as a reference, and it'll give you your Z up and down, which naturally is like this, and then your Y-axis, which is this, and your X-axis. So you can do it. I marked it on my table here as a reference for me to learn it, and that was a suggestion by IDC, from Garrett from IDC. So I actually did that, and these are cool. I like them. And then he has always, don't forget your Z height. Don't forget your Z height, because that's one of the mistakes you make. Just a nice little addition. So along with it came this little plaque that is laser engraved, and it says CNC confidence, the ability to press and go with CNC was 0 worries, and it's Cutting It Close. And I thought that was a nice little touch. And then I flipped it over, and in there it just says, hey, welcome to Cutting It Close Workshop. They're confident that the bits will deliver the results I expect. Keeping extra collets on hand is always a great idea. Feel free to reach out to them at any time. And it says Mom Drapella, which Ryan, I guess that's his wife. So I don't know, maybe it's his mom, I don't know. But anyway, it's a personal touch. I liked it. I thought it was cool. So I go back to the house, my wife brings it out, and I go back to eat dinner, and I'm like, I don't remember seeing a collet. So I said to my wife, is there anything in there from Cutting It Close that, does our collet that meant to come in the package? So she checked, it wasn't there. I said, oh, I got to run to the shop. So I go out to the shop. There's no call it. So I take and, you know, I call the number that's on the nice little plaque here they send. And a woman named Brenda answered. She was very, very, very nice. And I said, hey, you know, I placed my order. And she said, oh my gosh, your first order, and we forgot your call it. And I said, everybody makes mistakes. So she said, we'll get that right out to you. So I think it was like on a Friday or something. I don't remember, but I literally got it like within days. So the call it came, 6mm call it. I get the call it, and they sent that out ASAP. Then I got another one of these little cards, and basically it says, we forgot to add your call it and order, and you still had the best attitude. Thank you. Your excitement for the CNC world and cutting it close workshop just comes to show you need one of these. Enjoy. Happy cutting, Brenda. So once again, class act, little bit of touch, and they sent this nice banner here from Cutting It Close Workshop for the mistake they made. So they care. It's a company that cares. I can see that. So I'm happy to work with them, happy to hang this in my shop, and happy to tell you to go there and look for your bits. He has tons of bit selections. Like I said, I don't want to knock IDC because I've been buying them. If I open this drawer, it's all IDC. I have no qualms with IDC either. They just didn't carry these bits. So that's just a little thing on Cutting It Close. And if anybody from there watches it, thank you guys. I like it. Nice touch. I think what you're doing is great for the CNC community. You got a great business going. Keep it up. We need people in this country that do things just like this. So thank you to Cutting It Close. So until the next video, take care, stay safe, and we'll give you some more content.